On this demo, we're going to highlight the excellent performance of our latest and greatest Xeon product, Xeon 6, using computational fluid dynamics simulations performed on Ansys Fluent. For those of you in the CFD business, you know that Ansys Fluent is one of the main tools to perform simulations of fluid flow, heat transfer, and chemical reactions. These simulations have a variety of applications in aerospace industry, in automotive industry, in biomedical and energy industries. Here we're going to show how Intel product Xeon 6 with MRDIMM technology is going to give you excellent results. We're comparing against our competition, AMD Turin, at both two 4 configs, 128 and also 96. You see that for smaller models, we are pretty much on par with AMD Turin, 96 core config. But as we start increasing the model size, as we go to larger and larger models, then we're putting more pressure on the memory and the memory bandwidth, and that's where the extra bandwidth provided by the MRDIMM technology actually shines and gives you a better performance. And on this slide, we're just going to look at the specs of AMD EPYC 9755 and 9655 against Xeon 6980 and 6972. And we can see the benefit of the higher memory speed in the simulation results. We're just going to showcase one of these test cases that we have done, simulating a Formula One car using the Xeon 6972 that has 96 cores. So you see that we have 12 memory channels that are injecting into the CPU. And if we look at the simulation results on next slide, we have AMD EPYC 9655 on the left and Intel Xeon 6972 on the right. So you can see that, the extra bandwidth that Xeon is actually introducing is helping the simulation. This simulation on the right is done 100%, whereas this simulation has reached 81.2% in that same time frame. This is how effective is the extra amount of bandwidth that Xeon 6 is producing and is offering, is actually leading to over 20% performance boost over AMD Turin with 96 cores. And this shows that how the industry can benefit from the added bandwidth that Xeon 6 product is actually introducing. So if you are doing CFD, and if in any way your simulation is affected by the bandwidth limitation, Xeon 6 with MRDIMM technology is actually built for you.